Welcome in my YouTube channel. Let's learn with Sinhasan. Today I am going to teach you the exercise 3E. In this exercise we have to study evaluate root square by the method of a long division. By long division methods we have to find out square root of 576. We have root under 576. Make it pair from the unit place. 5 is alone, so 2 to the 4. Subtract 4 from 5, 1, and note down the pair 76. 2 will be added here. 2 plus 2, 4. Now we have to put a digit. Let's multiply it with the same digit and try to find out the same number 176. Here, make it draw. We have to find out 6 in a unit place. There is only 2 options. 4 4 are 16 and 6 6 are 36. We have only 2 options. Only to multiply it and getting the 6 in a unit place. Now we will multiply it by 4. So 4 4 are 16 and 4 4 are 61, 17. It is exactly got the 176 and 24 is the correct answer. So 576 root under 576 is the square of 20. And this one the answer of it. The next question is another question number 6. Root under 9025. Here we have seen there are 4 digits and make it pair from the beginning. So 25 and 90. 90. 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64 and 9 9 ja 81. 9 9 ja 81. When subtract 81 from 90, 10 minus 1 9 and it will be cancelled. Note down 25 the pair digit. 9 will be added here. 9 plus 9 18. We have to get 5 in a unit place. So 5 5 ja 25. 5 will be put it here. 185 multiplied it by 5, we get 925 and thus 95 is the square root of 9025. This was the answer of it. So we can write it 90 root under 9025. The simplification of it is 95. Now the next question is question number 12. Root under 92416. So we have to take the square root of 92416. Make it the pair from the unit place and 9 is alone. So we have to solve 9 first. 3 3 are 9. Will be cancelled. 24 will be note down. 3 is added here. 3 plus 3 6. As we have seen, if we put 0, then 60 is greater than 24. So we have to put it 0 again and note down 60 also. Now we will get the 6 in a unit place. So we will have to multiply it by 4. So 604 will be multiplied by 4. We obtain 2416 and it will be cancelled. Now 92416, the square root of this is 304 and this one the answer of it. The next question is question number 13. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 2509 to make it a perfect square. Solutions of it. We have to subtract. So at first, take the square root of 2509. 2509, take the square root, make it there from the unit place. 5 5 ja 25, it will be cancelled. 5 is added here, 5 plus 5 10 and 0 9. Here this one the remainder, and if we put it anything we will add here, even 0, 10 will be greater than 9 or 100 will be greater than 9. So here 50. Now we have to subtract. So 2509 minus 09. If it will be subtracted, now it becomes 2500, and 2500 is the perfect square of 250. This one. So we have to subtract 09. We have to subtract 9 from 2509, and it becomes the perfect square. Thus, this question is completed. Now the next one, question number 15. Find the least number which must be added to 6203 to obtain a perfect square. Here the difference is only 2 to be added. The first question is subtracted. In question number previous question 13, where we have to subtract, means easily we have to find out the square. But here we have to add it, means one more. To 6203 to obtain a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square root. We have to take out the square root of 6203. 6203, write it here and make it pair from the unit place. 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49 and 8 8 ja 64. 64 is greater than 62, so 7 7 ja 49. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3 and 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 0 3 will be noted down here. 7 plus 7 14. And which one? 14 rough one. 1 4 8. 8 8 ja 64 and 8 4 ja 32 plus 6 38 in hand 3. 8 1 ja 8 plus 3 11. 1 4 9. 9 9 ja 81 in hand. 8 9 4 ja 36 plus 8 44 and 9 1 ja 9 plus 4 30. This one greater than 1303. So 8. We will put it here 8 and the product of it is 1184. When we subtract it, 13 minus 4 9 11. This one it becomes 9. 9 minus 8 1 and 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, here 1. 119 is the remainder. Now, what we write here? 78 square is smaller than 6203 and this one smaller than the square of 79. So at first we have to find out the square root of 79. 9 9 is 81. Here 8. We will multiply it here. 6241 and 6203 is given when we subtract it here. 11 minus 3, 8, and it becomes 38. Now, square is greater than 6203 and this one smaller than 6241. So what we have to add it here? 38. Such number, if 6203 is added by 38, it becomes 6241. So the answer is, first we have to add it 38 in 6203. It becomes the perfect square of 79 is 6241. So these are the answer of this question. Thus, here what I have said, in added we have to do such works, or if what number we be subtracted, so the remainder we have to subtract. In a previous question, if remainder we have to subtract from the given question, there we should get the answer. Thank you. Now the next question is question number 17. Find the least number. Find the least number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. Also find the square root of this number so obtained. Least number of 4 digits is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1000 is the least number of 4 digits. At first we have to find out the square root of the given number. As we know, this one not a perfect square. Make it clear from the unit place. 3 3 is 9. 1 down pair of the zeros added here. 3 plus 3 6. Now if we put it here 1, it makes 61. 10 minus 1 9 and 9 minus 6 3. 31 is the remainder. As we know, 31 square is smaller than 1000 and this one is smaller than 32. So as we know, the square of 32 is equal to 2 to the 4, 6 is the 9, 2 3 is 6, 6 12 and 6 is 9 1 10. 1024. We may write so. So 1024 subtracted 1000 means 1000 subtracted from 1024 we obtain 24. Once again, also find the square root of the number. The square root of the number is 1024. This one the list have 4-digit number and the square root is 20. Find the list number of 4 digits. The list number of the 4 digit is 1024 and the perfect square, it becomes the perfect square and the square root of this number is 24. This was the answer. And the last question of this exercise is question number 19. The area of a square field is 6025 meter square. A man cycles along its boundary at 18 km per hour. In how much time will he return to the starting point? The area of the square. The area of a square field is 60025 meter square. It is given. As we know, side of the square field, square is equal to root under area. Now we have to find out the square root of this given number. Make it pair, and here 2 to the 4. Note down the pair of the 0. Here 2 plus 2 4. 4 4 ja 16 and 4 4 ja 61 7. 24 2 5 will be note down here. 4 will be added. 4 plus 4 8. Now 5, when we will multiply it by 5, it becomes 2 4 5. So this one 245 meter is the side of the given square field. As we know, a man cycles along its boundary. So the boundary of this square boundary is equal to 4 into side. It means perimeter. So 4 into 245 meter. 4 5 ja 20 and 24 4 ja 96 plus 2 98. 980 meter is the perimeter of the given square field. It means total distance is equal to 980 meter and speed is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. 18 into 1060 meter per minute. 063 here 300 meter per minute. How much time? Now, time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is equal to 980 divided by 300. 0 0 is cancel, and if we divide it, so 90 here, 3 times 90, that is remainder here. So 3 minutes, 3 whole 8 by 30 and 8 by 30 into 60, 32 so 16 seconds. And that man covers the distance of 980 meter at the rate of 18 km per hour. He will take 3 minutes 18 seconds to cover this one. Thus, all this chapter is completed. Now, the rest questions, hope you are capable to solve it. if you have a problem, so you may write it in the comment box, and one day I may give you a single video all for your the problem questions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Before, you must have to watch the whole video. After that, you have to write down the comment, as well as don't forget like, subscribe and share this video. Hope. Thank you.